Welcome to Meadow Hill School. Throughout the years, our students and teachers have developed exciting STEAM lessons that focus on the creative design process to solve real-world problems. They've been using design thinking and working in collaborative teams, working on problems relating to farming, recycling, and making school a more positive and efficient place to learn and grow. Our students know how to prototype, sketch ideas, and make new products that describe or solve any given problem. Using our multimedia green screen film studio, they've produced newscasts, movies, and commercials. Using our Chromebooks, they've programmed apps, created promotional videos, posters, websites, and logos. Using our 3D printer, they've been able to watch their 3D models become a reality. If awarded the grant, we would purchase parts, materials, and laptops that would give students the hands-on experience of building 3D printers from scratch, while gaining an understanding of microcontrollers and collaborative literacy. All the machines we plan to build are open source and self-replicable. Student design teams will work together to invent new, fun, and useful creations that will be donated or sold in our school store to our local community and abroad. Not only will they learn to build, they'll learn to teach. Students can print more printers and teach others how to use them to become agents of change.